Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will gonna make a Bluetooth boombox speaker. It has great bass and sound quality. So before starting the video, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. So let's get started. I made the whole enclosure using 3D printing and I have provided the file in the description. And I have chosen this design. It is looking great, right? So let's make it. Here I am using two 4-inch subwoofer for good bass. I am using 3 pieces of 18650 batteries of 3000 mAh. I also printed this battery holder. Here I did a parallel connection, so I will get total of 9000 mAh for a good battery backup. Here I am using this TP4056 charging module. And I have used a DC socket for charging. Here I am using a DC boost converter. I have connected the out pin of the charging module to the in of boost converter. I have used this push button switch. Set the voltage of boost converter to 16 volt and fix it. And check it on multimeter. TPA3116 amplifier. It supports stereo and the output is 50 into 50 watt. It also has inbuilt Bluetooth and pen drive slot. Now connect the out pin of DC booster. And connect the other end to the power. Tight the screw properly. Connect the right speaker to right. And left speaker to left. Now power it on.
Bluetooth mode.
Now open Bluetooth from your smartphone. And connect to HW645. So guys, how is the video? Hope you have enjoyed this. So give a like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. And now enjoy the music.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever. I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see girl with their eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who hear my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to face reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.